Hi, here's Milan from Scentalytics. I will show you how to use this AI Perfume Creator app, and it's actually quite simple. Just start typing the names of notes you want to add. Let's start with top notes. They are the first thing we smell when we apply a perfume. You can also check these short tooltips for the brief explanations of different note types. I'll add bergamot, and it's very important to select or type a note from the menu, otherwise it won't be included. Now you can see the characteristics of your perfume composition on these charts. Since we have only bergamot, we see quite citrusy, fresh, spicy, aromatic accords with a hint of florals. This would be a unisex fragrance which leans masculine, suitable for warm spring or summer days. Now I'll add neroli to the middle notes, and let's add some cedar to the base. I'll also add jasmine to get more floral accords. You can also remove a note, and every time you add or remove it, the charts will be updated. The AI models in the background will calculate different values. Here you can also check which existing fragrances are the most similar to your creation. You won't always get scents which are totally identical to yours in terms of notes, because our algorithm takes the combined semantics of notes, accords, and perfume type when searching for similar fragrances. If you want to share your creation, you can just click on share and copy the provided link here. And then you can paste the link wherever you want. And that's it. I hope you'll enjoy the app, and thank you for watching.